Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying access. Sign into your Microsoft account because deletion requires verification. Once signed in, make sure you've exported mail and saved OneDrive files. Deletion removes data. Next, check secondary recovery options like a phone or alternate email so you can receive the security code. You'll also want to cancel subscriptions and unlink services tied to the account, because those will stop working once the account enters the deletion process. Once done with backups and cancellations, go to Account Settings and choose the Close Account option. Microsoft prompts security checks to confirm it's you. Follow identity verification steps. Enter the code sent to your phone or alternate email, because that prevents accidental closures. Make sure to read the list of linked subscriptions and billing to prevent surprises. You can transfer or cancel what's listed. After confirming, you'll mark the account for closure and be shown the retention countdown and recovery steps. After you confirm closure, Microsoft holds the account in a suspended state for the retention period, commonly 60 days, so you can restore it by signing in. This safeguards against mistakes. Make sure to keep an alternate contact active in case you change your mind, because recovery requires identity verification. If verification methods fail, use the account recovery form with as many details as possible. That's the primary troubleshooting route to prove ownership and recover access before permanent deletion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.